Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you're a Jeep Wrangler JK owner looking to upgrade your ride with some killer tunes, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best aftermarket stereo systems for your Jeep Wrangler JK on the market. From superior sound quality to the latest features, these stereos will transform your driving experience. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the highway, you deserve the best audio performance. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Jeep Wrangler JK aftermarket stereos. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details and where to get these awesome stereos. Let's get started. Number 1. Stinger Wrangler JK Stereo Replacement HD Touchscreen Radio is a top-tier upgrade for your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, bringing modern technology and enhanced functionality to your vehicle. This digital multimedia player is designed with an AM/FM tuner and boasts a stunning 10.1-inch floating capacitive touchscreen display, ensuring a vibrant and responsive user experience. The screen size and clarity make it easy to navigate through menus and apps, offering an intuitive interface for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. This allows seamless integration with your smartphone, enabling access to navigation, music, messages, and more directly from your dashboard. The built-in Bluetooth feature is perfect for hands-free calling and music streaming, promoting safer driving and convenience. In addition to these impressive features, the dual USB ports offer flexibility in connecting multiple devices, whether it's charging your phone or plugging in a USB drive loaded with your favorite tunes. The package includes the Stinger SR JK11H installation kit specifically for 2011 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK models, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. This all-in-one dash kit and interface simplifies the replacement process, saving time and effort. The kit's high-quality construction is designed to withstand the rugged conditions that Jeep enthusiasts often encounter, ensuring long-lasting performance. With the Stinger Wrangler JK stereo replacement, you're not just upgrading your stereo system, you're enhancing your entire driving experience. Whether you're navigating off-road trails or cruising the highway, this advanced system provides the connectivity and functionality you need. It's an excellent choice for those looking for the best aftermarket stereo for Jeep Wrangler JK, combining style, functionality, and ease of use in one comprehensive package. Number 2. Adapter Universe 10.2-inch car radio stereo is an exceptional upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JK, Compass, Grand Cherokee, and Dodge Ram. Featuring a powerful Android 12 system, it comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth operation and quick access to your favorite apps. The 10-inch IPS touchscreen boasts a stunning 1280 by 720 resolution, delivering vivid colors and clarity from any angle, making it a joy to use. With built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can effortlessly connect your smartphone, allowing you to make hands-free calls, send messages, and access your favorite navigation apps directly on the large display. Bluetooth 5.2 enhances your driving experience by enabling wireless audio streaming and hands-free calling, while the built-in microphone ensures clear communication. The rear-view camera input offers a 170 degrees viewing angle for added safety, automatically switching to the reverse interface when needed, which is particularly beneficial in tight spaces or during adverse weather conditions. The integrated GPS navigation system, paired with a preloaded offline map database, provides voice-guided directions and access to over 11 million points of interest, ensuring you stay on track whether you're on or off the beaten path. The split-screen function allows you to multitask, displaying GPS navigation alongside your music or other apps. With the professional tech support team backing the Adapter Universe stereo, you can rest assured that any issues will be promptly addressed, making this unit a reliable choice for enhancing your driving experience. Plus, with a 2-year warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Number 3. AINAVITO 10.2-inch car radio stereo navigation is a top-tier aftermarket solution for upgrading your Jeep Wrangler JK, Compass, Grand Cherokee, Dodge Ram, and more. This 6th-generation stereo features a sleek, ultra-thin design that integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's interior. With a high-performance 8-core processor and Android 12 system, this stereo delivers exceptional speed and efficiency. The 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM ensure smooth operation and ample space for app downloads, while the custom UI designed by a California car industry team enhances user experience. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this stereo allows for effortless smartphone integration, enabling access to maps, messages, music, and more through Bluetooth or USB. The 5G Wi-Fi support, combined with Bluetooth 5.0, provides hands-free calling, phone book access, and music streaming. The built-in GPS navigation system is reliable, offering real-time directions and location services. The AINAVITO stereo boasts a QLED HD display with a 1280 by 720 resolution for stunning picture quality. Its 48 EQ settings and advanced tuning options ensure superior sound performance, catering to various music preferences. Included in the package are all necessary accessories for installation, such as a power cable, microphone, and HD 1080p backup camera. The HD 1080p rear camera features a waterproof IP69 rating and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, providing high-definition clarity and enhanced safety while reversing. With its high-transparency glass and fisheye lens design, this camera offers an impressive view and reliable performance. Ideal for those seeking the best aftermarket stereo for Jeep Wrangler JK, the AINAVITO 10.2-inch car radio stereo navigation combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to elevate your driving experience. Number 4. Podofo Wireless CarPlay Car Stereo for Jeep Wrangler, Dodge, Chevrolet, and Chrysler is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's audio and connectivity features. This 7-inch touchscreen Android car radio brings modern technology right into your dashboard, making it an excellent choice for those seeking the best aftermarket stereo for Jeep Wrangler JK. One of its standout features is the wireless CarPlay and wired Android Auto compatibility, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. Simply connect your device to enjoy hands-free navigation, music streaming, and voice control through this Link app. Navigating is a breeze with the built-in GPS navigation system that supports both offline and online maps. You can connect to your phone's Wi-Fi or hotspot for additional functionality, making it easy to browse the web or download apps directly onto the stereo. The unit also boasts Bluetooth capabilities for hands-free calling and music playback, complete with phone book synchronization for easy access. Plus, the included external microphone ensures clear audio during calls. The FM/RDS radio feature supports 18 preset stations and offers a smooth listening experience with both manual and automatic station search options. For added safety, the stereo includes an HD backup camera input, providing a clear view while reversing, making parking easier and safer. It also supports original steering wheel control learning, enhancing convenience. With excellent customer service, including a 12-month warranty and 24/7 technical support, the Podofo Wireless CarPlay car stereo ensures you're supported throughout your journey. Whether you're off-roading in a Jeep or cruising in a Dodge, this car stereo delivers an impressive array of features to enhance your driving experience. Number 5. AWESAFE Car Radio Stereo Upgrade 2GB plus 64GB is an excellent aftermarket stereo option for Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 to 2018, as well as various other compatible vehicles like the Dodge Ram 1500/2500, 2009 to 2012, and Grand Cherokee. This powerful unit features the Android 12 operating system, paired with 2GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth operation and a responsive user experience. One of the standout features is the built-in GPS navigation, which includes an offline map of North America. By connecting to Wi-Fi, users can access online maps, enhancing their navigation capabilities. The stereo supports the installation and deletion of Android apps, providing flexibility similar to that of a smartphone. Additionally, the AWESAFE car radio comes equipped with a backup camera, which automatically activates when the vehicle is shifted into reverse, displaying helpful guidelines to assist with parking and maneuvering. One of its most attractive features is the integration of wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing users to connect their iPhone or Android devices effortlessly via Bluetooth or USB. This connectivity enables hands-free access to navigation, calls, messaging, and music, ensuring that drivers stay focused and entertained while on the road. With its user-friendly interface, high-quality display, and advanced features, the AWESAFE Car Radio Stereo Upgrade is a smart choice for enhancing the driving experience in Jeep Wrangler JK models. Its compatibility with various other vehicles, including Jeep Compass, Patriot, Liberty, and Dodge Charger, makes it a versatile upgrade for car enthusiasts looking to modernize their audio and navigation systems. Enjoy the convenience of a connected car experience with this feature-rich aftermarket stereo, perfect for those seeking the best in automotive technology. In conclusion, upgrading to an aftermarket stereo for your Jeep Wrangler JK can significantly enhance your driving experience. From improved sound quality to advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and smartphone integration, these stereos offer everything you need for your off-road adventures and daily drives. Whether you prefer a sleek design or one packed with features, there's a perfect stereo out there to match your style and needs. Remember to consider your specific preferences, installation options, and compatibility to ensure a seamless upgrade. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Share this video for more updates on the